Nay, tell me where thou hast been, or I will not open my lips so wide as a bristle may enter, in way of thy excuse. My lady will hang thee for so long an absence.
Let her hang me. He that is well hanged need fear no colours.
Make that good.
He shall see none to fear.
Ah, good Lenten answer. I know where that saying was born of. I fear no colours.
Where, good Mistress Mary?
In the wars. And you may be so bold as to use it in your foolery.
Well, God give them wisdom that have it, and those that are fools, let them use their talents.
Yet you will be hanged for so long an absence or turned away. Is that not as good as a hanging to you?
Many a good hanging prevents a bad marriage. And for turning away, let summer bear it out.
You were resolute then,
Not so neither, but I am resolved on 2 points.
that if one breaks, the other will hold.